Alright, you probably can't hear us because it's so loud. There's the river. This is our little patio in our hotel room right there. But we are not going to do much today. We're going to do laundry. We're going to watch Star Wars. And we're going to rest because yesterday, Half Dome, that was intense.
I hurt so bad.
Yeah. We're having to learn to walk again today.
I can't walk. I'm like on my tippy toes, taking little but it hurts so bad.
Definitely get in shape before you do Half Dome. Otherwise, you'll pay for it.
Yes, you will.
But tomorrow we'll go to a couple other places in Sequoia.
Yosemite. Yellowstone.
We will get our Junior Ranger badge, and we will start heading to Pinnacles. This is what a day after hiking Half Dome looks like. Chips and salsa, root beers, and some TV. Now, it's laundry time. We're gonna do some of this. Hot tub time.
You think we're gonna do Half Dome?
I think he would. His big
That's
sister
true.
did it.
That's true.
Nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
See the moon up there.